समिति की सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई दर्शाने वाला अंतिम विवरण के अंग्रेजी और हिंदी संस्करण की प्रति पटल पर रखने के लिए खड़ा हुआ हूं।
माननीय विदेश मंत्री जी।
Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to apprise the House.
आगे वहां कमिटमेंट हो गया था, इसलिए वहां कर दिया। आगे से स्टेटमेंट कभी भी लोकसभा में आएगा। माननीय विदेश मंत्री, मैंने कह दिया।
I rise to apprise the House of certain developments pertaining to deportation of Indians from the USA. Sir, honorable members are aware that people-to-people exchanges constitute the bedrock of our deepening ties with the United States. Indeed, more than any other relationship, mobility and migration has had a key role to play in enhancing its quality. Sir, the House would also share the view of the government that it is our collective interest to encourage legal mobility and discourage illegal movement. In fact, illegal mobility and migration has many other associated activities also of an illegal nature. Moreover, those of our citizens who are inveigled into illegal movement themselves become prey to other crimes. They are trapped into moving and working under inhumane conditions. Members are aware that unfortunately there have been even fatalities in the course of such illegal migration. Those who have returned have also testified to their harrowing experiences. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is the obligation of all nations to take back their nationals if they are found to be living illegally abroad. This is naturally subject to an unambiguous verification of their nationality. This is not a policy applicable to any specific country, nor indeed one only practiced by India. It is a general accepted principle in international relations. Honorable members, sir, would be aware that the process of deportation is not a new one. I repeat, the process of deportation is not a new one and has been ongoing for several years. I would like to share with the House the details of deportation from the United States since 2009. The numbers, years-wise, sir, are listed in my statement. From 2009, there were 734, 2010, 799, 2011, 597, then 530, 515, 591, 708, 1303, 1024, 1180, 242, 805, 862, 617, and 1368. So these are the numbers given by our Bureau of Immigration. The numbers for 2009 to 2014 from the Department of Homeland Security is much higher. Honorable Speaker, sir, deportations by the United States are organized and executed by the Immigration and Customs Enforcement authorities. The standard operating procedure for deportation by aircraft used by ICE that is effective from 2012. Sir, I repeat to you, these were procedures that came in 2012. They provide for the use of restraint. Sir, I have an American document of 2012 which lays out the restraint procedure. I authenticate it and I will lay it on the table of the House. Sir, however, we are informed by ICE that women and children are not restrained and the needs of deportees during transit relates to food and other necessities, including possible medical emergencies, are attended to. During toilet breaks, deportees are temporarily unrestrained if needed in that regard. This is applicable to chartered civilian aircraft as well as to military aircraft. There has been no change from past procedures. I repeat, no change from past procedures for flights undertaken by U.S. on 5 February 2020. So, we are engaging the U.S. government to ensure that returning deportees are not mistreated in any manner during the flight. At the same time, House will appreciate that our focus should be to crack down strongly on illegal migration industry while taking steps to ease visas for legitimate travelers the basis of information provided by returning deportees about agents and others involved, law enforcement agencies will take necessary preventive action.
माननीय सदस्यगण, आपसे आग्रह है, केंद्रीय बजट पर सामान्य चर्चा है, आप अपनी अपनी सीट पर जाएं। केंद्रीय बजट पर आप चर्चा करना चाहते हैं? चर्चा करना चाहते हैं? केंद्रीय बजट पर चर्चा करना चाहते हैं? माननीय सदस्यगणों, मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से आग्रह कर रहा हूं, मेरे प्रतिपक्ष के माननीय सदस्यों से आग्रह करता हूं, आपको जनता ने चुनकर भेजा है और महत्वपूर्ण बजट पर आप महत्वपूर्ण चर्चा कर सकते हैं, वित्तीय विषयों पर अपनी बात रख सकते हैं, अपने क्षेत्र के विकास की बात कर सकते हैं और किस तरीके से सामान्य बजट पर समाज में सामाजिक आर्थिक परिवर्तन लाया जा सकता है, इसके मामले में आप अमूल्य सुझाव दे सकते हैं। आप चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते? आप सामान्य बजट पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते? सदन की कार्रवाई कल 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।